There is no question that Amazon gets a lot of traffic, but how do you, as a seller, change those visitors into actual paying customers, increasing your sales and making more money on Amazon in the Middle East? If that's information that's important for you to learn, all you need to do is keep watching this video. So you found a product, you listed that product on Amazon, and you started making a little bit of money. But is your work done? Of course not. You need to always improve and make a few changes in order to increase your sales and your conversion rate. What is a conversion rate? Where do you find it on your Amazon Seller Central platform? All the information in this video, including 3 tips that you can implement in order to improve and increase your sales and start making more money on Amazon in the Middle East, all in this video. But if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal. I'm an Amazon seller and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society Middle East. If you want to learn how we can help you as an entrepreneur establish a successful business on Amazon in the Middle East, you'll find all the links in the description box below, or you can visit our website www.assmiddleeast.org. Let's start with conversion rates. Basically, what is a conversion rate? Roughly, it's how many visitors are converted into actual paying customers. It's a percentage. Amazon have their own version of it, and it's in your business reports section in Amazon Seller Central. Let's jump on the computer so I can show you exactly where to find it. So this is Amazon Seller Central. We go into reports, we go into business reports, and then you go into sales and traffic report. And you get to this landing page or page, and the conversion rate, the Amazon style of conversion rate, is the order item session percentage. Amazon basically calculates this number by dividing your orders over your page views. So your orders divided by your page views give you your order item session percentage. As you can see here, very low percentages. You can do them either per day, per week, or per month, depending on what you're looking for. 7.69% is low, 0% because there was no sales that day, 5%, 16%. So this seller doesn't have very good conversion rates. What do we need to do? If you have that same problem, what should you do? 3 very important tips I'm going to be talking about in this video. They're simple to implement, but they can make the necessary changes that you need in order to convert additional customers into buyers, because that's what it means. It means a lot of people are actually logging into your product page. They're looking at your product, yet they are not buying. So we need to increase that conversion rate so more people that visit your page actually end up purchasing your product, meaning you're going to be making more money. Before I jump into step number 1, I want to remind you that in each and every video, we have a small competition. You can win a Zoom call with me, a 1-hour call. We talk about everything related to Amazon. All you need to do is like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. The person who did all that is the person who left this comment. Thank you very much for your comment. All you need to do is DM me on our Instagram account, Amazon Sellers Society. Now, conversion rates. How can we improve them? Basically, the first step would be increasing your traffic. How can you increase your traffic? What about external marketing? External marketing, social media ads, or any other type of ad which you think would be good for your type of product or your niche product. External ads are going to increase the traffic, meaning even if your conversion rate is low, but more people are logging into your product page, so you're going to eventually get more sales, even if technically your conversion rate is still low. Now, I know you're thinking, Crystal, what should be my conversion rate? I will answer that question at the end of the video, so keep watching. But external marketing or social media ads, I noticed that a lot of people think that they're very easy to implement. Technically, they are. From a technical point of view, yes, they are. You just follow the steps on Instagram or Facebook, and you can end up creating an ad. However, you need to make sure that you're not looking for a needle in a haystack, meaning you're actually not spending a lot of money on advertising because you're randomly advertising to random people. A lot of people tell me that, advertising on Instagram or Facebook, it's just not working out for them. That's not possible. Everybody uses Instagram, and a lot of people also use Facebook. So it's not possible that you're not getting any sales if you're doing ads on social media. But it would be possible if you're doing the ad or you're showing the ad to the wrong type of customer. So if I'm not targeting customers who might end up purchasing my product, I'm basically throwing my money away, and nobody likes to do that. So make sure you either hire a specialist or you get the necessary skills, you learn the necessary skills in order to not waste time, because time is very valuable, and not waste any money or resources trying to figure out how to improve your social media ads. Okay, so that's very important. If you want to invest in external marketing, improve your traffic, increase the amount of people who are going to log into your product page, that's always very, very helpful. And that always increases your sales, of course, even if your conversion rate doesn't improve. However, you need to make sure that you are doing the right ad and you are showing that ad to the right group of people who are either looking for your product or are the actual target market that will end up purchasing your product. Tip number 2, run a promotion. We all love bargains and we all buy things that are discounted even if we don't really need them or even want them. So why not run a promotion on your product? Now, in Amazon in the Middle East, promo codes, what is known as a promo code, where you would actually give a customer or a friend or an influencer or anybody a certain code which they would insert at the end of the transaction in order to get a discount. Those are not available on Amazon in the Middle East. What is available is a coupon code that is available to anybody and everybody. And that's fantastic because you want the coupon code to be available to all Amazon visitors, because that's how we can improve our conversion rate, and that's how we can steal some customers from other sellers who don't have coupon codes. Plus, a product that has a coupon code tends to stand out a little bit from another product that doesn't have a coupon code. I'm talking in the search page results when you only see a title, a main page, and the price. So coupon codes are normally colored and they're a little bit more enticing than not having a coupon code. With that being said, should you do a coupon code all the time? I would suggest that you don't. You need to play around with it, maybe put it sometimes, maybe remove it sometimes. Also, if you are interested in doing external marketing, mainly marketing on social media, you can also use that to your advantage and say, well, we have a coupon code available for this weekend, these coming 3 days, the end of the month, the beginning of the month, whatever. Link it to a certain time, so it creates a little bit of urgency and people don't assume that it's always there all the time. So a coupon code might be something interesting. If you want to learn how to create a coupon code, I will leave the link to a video which I shot, and I explained how to create a coupon code in the description box below. Make sure that you check it out after you finish this video. Now, step number 3 is keyword research. Keyword research is very important because it improves your product's SEO. Remember, when you're listing a product, you're listing a product for the Amazon algorithm, and you're also listing it for the Amazon customer. The The Amazon customer wants to see the right visuals and the right copywriting. The Amazon SEO wants to see the right keywords and the right sales frequency and click frequency. So you need to make sure that you have the right keywords in your actual listing so that you have the best chance to rank your product higher and higher, thus having a higher conversion rate because people can actually find your product. Imagine if your product is on page 5 or 6, how are you gonna increase your conversion rate without having to do the necessary ads either on the Amazon platform, basically PPC ads, or external marketing on social media, which we talked about previously. Now, let me show you exactly like a hack or a free way in order to figure out what keywords you can actually use in your listing. Now, all you need to do is log on to Amazon.ae or Amazon.sa if that's where you're selling, and you can use Amazon Auto Suggest. It's the cheapest way because it's free in order to figure out what people are actually searching for on the Amazon platform. And look what happens. So let's say I type in the word A and I get the first search term that starts with the letter A is AirPods. So people are technically looking for AirPods more than air purifiers. But let's say I'm actually selling a water bottle and I want to figure out what keywords to put in my listing other than the word water bottle. So I would write water, and then I'd get water bottle, water dispenser, water wipes, pump flosser, blah, blah, blah. Obviously, I'm selling water bottle, but what else can I use? So water bottle for kids, stand, 1.5L. Now only use the keywords that actually work for your particular product. So if you're not selling a water bottle that's 2 liters, don't put it just because it's right here and just because you think it's a good keyword. It will end up messing your listing more than improving it. So with keywords, more is not better, less is actually better. Just make sure that you put in the keywords that are very, very, very targeted to your particular product, with also additional keywords that you might add after you create a PPC ad auto campaign. Let's think, okay, so what if I say water bottle 4 and then I get some additional keywords like for kids, for girls, school, bicycle, men. Bicycle is interesting, with straw. So you can keep going and you can keep finding some longer tail keywords and some additional keywords. And the best thing that this is information straight from Amazon, and it's information that's free. But make sure that you're logged out of your actual account so it doesn't give you the keywords that are related to your account. And make sure you use, I would rather that you use Google incognito mode. That way, you're not getting any information that's related to previous searches that you did on your Amazon account or on your own browser, because of the whole cookie situation and the fact that, browsers do read your previous history. Now, back to my first question, or the question that I asked myself previously, because I anticipate that's a question that most of you are interested in. So what is a good conversion rate? What should be your conversion rate? Honestly, there's no concrete answer. There's no one size fits all answer for this question, because it really does depend on a lot of factors. It depends on the niche that you are selling in. How competitive is it? It depends on the price of your product, because the more expensive your product is, the lower your conversion rate is going to be, just because people are going to be a little bit more hesitant in order to purchase a product that costs 450 dirhams versus a product that costs 50, 60, or 70. I'm not saying that you shouldn't sell expensive products. You do whatever you think is right for your for what you want for your business, but you need to be mindful of that fact. But if I were to put a number, I would suggest that you make some changes and test the conversion rate, test the numbers, test your sales, test your traffic each and every week. So implement any one of those tips or any other tips that you might think of Implement it for 1 week and test and see what the conversion rate, what happens to the conversion rate. Is it better? Is it lower? Did it change? Did it improve? And all of these things are very important because you need to keep on testing in order to get the best results for your particular product. Try to aim for at least 30% conversion rate, or maybe a little bit higher would be fantastic, especially if your product is competitively priced. That's it for this video. I hope this was information that was helpful. If it was, make sure that you share this video with like-minded people so we can grow our community. I will see you in another video with more information. Bye.